Hi, this is Michael Canellis at PowerGen 2017. It's where the people who make power equipment and the software providers for the power industry meet to discuss what's going on in the future. And we're talking about Pi Vision with Gavin Mercer, part of our OSIsoft team in Canada. Gavin, give us the overview of what Pi Vision's all about.
So Pi Vision is our web client that lets you get an insight into all the data that's in the Pi system. So it includes your actual data. You can see your assets, your notifications, your analytics, all of that within Pi.
Now, how's it different than Coresight?
So it's actually the next version of Coresight. So it's really a spiritual successor to Coresight in that it looks exactly like Coresight with a ton of new features in this latest version that we've renamed Pi Vision.
The main feature I've heard is like custom configuration fairly quick.
Well, so the great thing about having something like this in HTML5 is that I can use the same desktop application on my phone or my tablet or my PC, right? So if I'm using my phone, of course, I just want to say I want this data, I want that data, and then just slide it over to where I can see it.
It's also multiple sources. Like, what do we have going on here in the demo?
So we've got some trends, some vertical bars, some horizontal bars, some multi-state symbols. And some of this is coming from Pi, some of this is coming from a database lookup from our asset framework utility, and all of it is here where it gets brought together, funneled together, so everything that you might need to see on this big Buffalo wind farm dashboard is in one place.
But multiple sources is great too, because a lot of people think it's just Pi data, but it's actually any sort of data source you have you can bring into it.
Right, and that's the great thing about Pi Vision is because we're leveraging our Pi asset framework so heavily, anything that you're doing with your asset framework gets brought out and expanded into Pi Vision so that you can really scale up a small amount of work into however many wind farms you have.
And what kind of customers are using it right now?
Well, here at the Power Generation Conference, we have all sorts of wind, solar, gas, all the fossil fuels, hydro. Who's not using it?
Great, well, thank you very much.